all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Friends, in this video we are going to learn 10 words, and those 10 words we will learn its antonyms, we will learn its synonyms, we will learn its parts of speech and use of that word in form of a sentence. So these 4 things we are going to learn in today's session. So these words which we are going to learn today, the words are directly taken from one of the most elite newspaper of our country, which are mostly preferred by almost all the government job aspirants of our country. So this session is going to be important for the following examination: CDS, NDA, SSC, CHSL, CGL, banking, Air Force, Navy and many more government examination. इसका मतलब अगर जो मैं शॉर्ट में बोलूँ तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि अगर जो आप कोई भी सरकारी एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आपके लिए ये सेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है. सो फ्रेंड्स, अब हम बढ़ेंगे सेशन की ओर. इसके पहले अगर जो आप चैनल पे पहली बार आए हैं तो चैनल को लाइक कर दें, सब्सक्राइब कर दें, और आपके फ्रेंड्स और आपके कलीग्स और आपके जूनियर्स अगर जो इनमें से कोई एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो आप उनको ये वीडियो शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा. तो अब हम बढ़ते हैं अपने वर्ड की ओर. सो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आज 9 मई 2021 9 मई 2021 है, तो अब हम फर्स्ट वर्ड जो कि स्क्रीन पे अपीयर हो गया है, इस फर्स्ट वर्ड है अंडरटेक. इसे मैं फर्स्ट रेक्टेंगुलर बॉक्स के अंदर डाल दे रहा हूँ. सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड विच हैज अपीयर्ड ऑन आवर स्क्रीन इज़ अंडरटेक. अंडरटेक मीन्स इसका मतलब होता है टैकल, किसी भी काम को सुलझाना, टैकल करना. तो यही होता है अंडरटेक का मतलब. पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच ये एक काइंड ऑफ वर्ब है. सिनोनिम्स हो जाएगा टेक ऑन, टेक अप, और एंटोनिम्स कैन बी नेग्लेक्ट. फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन टेक दैट ए फर्म ऑफ बिल्डर अंडरटुक द कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क. अंडरटेक मतलब कोई भी काम को टैकल करना, कोई भी काम को टेकअप करना, टेक ऑन करना. सो अंडरटेक. सो दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ पॉजिटिव वर्ड. So I hope everyone got the first word. You can take the screenshot of this first word. So we will move over to the second word which has appeared on our screen. So the second word is furious. Furious, meaning of this furious is enraged. हिंदी मीनिंग इसका हो जाएगा क्रुद्ध, और पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच है एडजेक्टिव. सिनोनिम्स के तौर पे वी कैन टेक इट एज इन्फ्यूरिएटेड और रेजिंग. And for antonyms we can take it as calm, composed. Composed can also be one of the antonym of this word furious. For example, we can take it as he was furious when he learned about it. So I hope everyone got the second word. Now we are moving over to the third word. So the third word which has appeared on our screen is constraint. And guys, let me remind you once again that this constraint word has already appeared in previous year written examination of National Defence Academy. You can just check out its previous year question paper. This word has come as it is. So constraint, its meaning is inhibition और हिंदी मीनिंग निषेध. सो और ये पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इसका नाउन है. और सिनोनिम्स के तौर पे we can take it as embarrassment और uneasiness. For antonym we can take it as openness. For example, we can take it as they would be able to talk without constraint. I hope everyone got the third word which has appeared on your screen. Now we will move over to the fourth word. So the fourth word which is there on your screen is reverberant. Reverberant का मतलब होता है प्रतिध्वनि का, और reverberant. So its synonyms will be resonant or reverberating. This is a kind of, in physics also you learn these concepts of reverberation in chapter of wave. So its synonyms will be resonance or reverberating. Its antonym will be faint. For example, we can take that he got a resounding smack across the face. I hope everyone got the fourth word. Now we are moving over to the fifth word. So the fifth word which has appeared on our screen in opportune. And guys, let me remind you, this has again already appeared in previous year questions of National Defence Academy examination. So opportune, meaning of this opportune is auspicious, and हिंदी meaning हो जाएगा समयोचित, और for its parts of speech is adjective. and its synonyms can be the following words which are appearing again on your screen, which is called propitious or favorable, which is working in your favor. So it is called opportune, and this is the previous year question of National Defence Academy. For antonym we can take it as disadvantageous, because if advantage or favorable is its synonyms, then automatically its antonym will be disadvantageous. Example, we can take that he could not have hurried at a less opportune moment. I hope everyone got this fifth word which is appearing on your screen. Now we will move over to the sixth word. So sixth word which has appeared on your screen is eviction. एविक्शन का हिंदी मीनिंग हो जाएगा निष्कासन, एंड इट्स इंग्लिश मीनिंग विल बी एक्सपल्सन. इट्स पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इज नाउन. फॉर सिनोनिम्स वी कैन टेक इट एज एजेक्शन और आउटसिंग. So for antonym we can take it as admission, and for example we can take it as the resident were forced for eviction. So I hope everyone got the sixth word. Now we will move over to the seventh word. So the seventh word which has appeared on your screen is corporal. Corporal, its parts of speech is adjective, and for its meaning we can take it as bodily or sharirik. For synonym we can take it as fleshly or corporeal. Its antonym we can take it as spiritual, and this corporal word is mostly related to the defense of our country, and this has come in the previous year questions of National Defence Academy examination. So here antonym will be spiritual, and for example we can take that many corporal change occur during adolescence. So the next word which has appeared on our screen is unpalatable. Meaning of this unpalatable is unappetizing. Its parts of speech is adjective, or its Hindi meaning will be niswad. For synonym we can take it as uninviting, unappealing. These both are different words. So one we can take it as uninviting, and another one we can take it as unappealing. For antonym we can take it as palatable, because unpalatable is word, then its opposite will be obviously palatable. So for example के तौर पे we can take it as the scrap of the unpalatable food were thrown away. I hope everyone got the eighth word which has appeared on your screen. Now we will move over to the ninth word. So ninth word is triumphant, and this is again previous year question which has been asked in National Defence Academy examination. Triumphant का मतलब होता है jubilant. It is a kind of joy when you get success. मतलब कोई भी सक्सेस आने पे जो joy आता है उसी को बोलते हैं triumphant. तो इसका हिंदी मीनिंग हो जाएगा विजयी, और इट्स पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच इज एडजेक्टिव. फॉर सिनोनिम इट इज exultant or elated. Elated is again joy. This word has also come in the previous year question of NDA. For antonym we can take it as despondent. An example के तौर पे we can take it as he could not suppress a triumphant smile. I hope everyone got the ninth word which has appeared on your screen. So now we will move over to the last and final word. So last and final word for the day is mount. माउंट का मतलब होता है इंक्रीज. हिंदी मीनिंग हो जाएगा बढ़ना. इट्स पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच विल बी वर्ब. यू कैन रिलेट दिस माउंट विथ माउंटेन. माउंटेन आर always at height, so it is increase. So in that sense you can relate this word and remember. So you can relate it with mountain which is at high height. That means it is increasing, so you can say that it is increase. Or synonym we can take it as grow or rise. For antonym we can take it as decrease. An example, the cost mounted when I bought a home. I hope everyone got the all the 10 words which has appeared on your screen, and all of you learn 10 words for the day. सभी लोगों ने 10 वर्ड सीखे, और ये 10 वर्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये डायरेक्टली हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर से लिया गया है. बहुत एनालाइज करके ये वर्ड लिया गया है, और इससे आने वाले एग्ज़ाम्स में क्वेश्चन आने की संभावना बहुत हाई है. सो अगर जो फ्रेंड्स आप इसी तरह से सेशन वॉच करते रहें, आपको फ्यूचर में कई सारे वर्ड सिखाऊंगा, और इससे ये भी बताऊंगा कि ये प्रीवियस ईयर में आया है और आने वाले ईयर के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है कि नहीं. सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स फॉर ट्यूनिंग टिल द एंड. थैंक यू. जय हिंद.